Make a copy of your image. Select black and white layer. Select both layers and press Ctrl+E to merge them. Hit Add Layer Mask and take a brush. Want this type of brush? Click on the link on top right corner. Now make sure opacity and flow is around 45 to 50. Create a new layer and hold Ctrl and click on Layer Mask to make selection. Click on Image icon. Now go to FX and hit Stroke. Make sure you are following these steps. Once you are done, then hit OK. Make a new layer and drag it down to your image. Take a soft, round brush. Drag down the opacity and flow around 60%. Now, gently paint the edges.